The system we have in Kenya, which is very corrupt, is a byproduct of men being weak. Men being weak brings a lot of calamities to the society. That's why Kenya looks the way it looks. That's why we have the leaders we have. Because the men in Kenya have been weak for a very long time. Now it's coming to bite them in the ass. Whether it's through the economy, life getting worse, you saw Ojwang was killed just by the same system that is supposed to protect his rights. Rights don't matter in the world. If they mattered, Palestinians will not be massacred the way they are. So it's force. You need to get that in our heads. Unajua si vijana tunadhania ni rights, hizi vitu tumefunzwa virtues mingi, lakini kuna virtue moja yenye bado hatuelewi, ni ya masculinity. Na masculinity inanga feelings. Masculinity ikiona shida inatatua one time. So hizi mashida tuko nazo Kenya kama za gava nini, hatuwezi expect gava i-change, hatuwezi waambia wa change. Sisi ndio tutakuwa ile change tunataka. Si wao watakuwa venye wanataka. They will fuck up this country the way they want. They don't fucking care. They're in it for themselves. So what if they don't represent our interests? Why should we engage with them? We should just focus on putting the people we want there. And especially we should look for very masculine men to put in charge of this country, because if you don't have masculine or men in charge of this country will degrade to shit, and you will, as a man, will suffer the consequences, or you will have to leave this country. So you decide, will you be part of the change, or will you still be complaining? Nilishawaambia president wangu ni nani, ni Andrew Kibe. He's the only hope we have as a country. If we have such a man in power, the next generation will not have to worry about things like corruption, because they will be molded to men, and men don't put up with bullshit. You can see the war in Iran. It's because the white man is weak. Now Israel is using them. The Americans have become weak as fuck. Now their government does not even belong to them.